The Guernsey Lake Retreat is an absolute hidden gem, located just outside of Guernsey State Park in Platte County, Wyoming. Situated on almost 28 acres of gorgeous rolling hills and deep tree canyons, the retreat provides plenty of space and comfort to take in all of the area's surrounding natural beauty. The Guernsey Lake Retreat is just a short drive from the town of Guernsey for all the necessary supplies one might want, and just over an hour to the Wyoming state capital in Cheyenne. From there, another hour south gets you into the hustle and bustle of the Colorado Front Range and all it has to offer. The 28 acres are made up of 3 separate parcels. One of the standout features of the ranch is its proximity to the 6,000-acre Guernsey State Park, a premier destination for outdoor recreation. Just a short distance away, the park offers a variety of activities including boating, fishing, and hiking. The Guernsey Reservoir is perfect for water sports or relaxing by the shore, while the nearby Grayrocks Reservoir offers exceptional fishing for walleye, trout, and yellow perch. The North Platte River is also nearby and provides additional recreational opportunities for those who want to explore an adventure on the river. In addition to the state park, the property also borders BLM land, offering even more opportunities for adventure. Turkey and mule deer are abundant on the property, offering excellent hunting opportunities, and the current owners haven't hunted, creating great potential for the new owner. The 3-bedroom and 3-bath custom rustic home was built in 2022 and totals 2,800 square feet. The upgraded finishes are noticeable throughout and provide a comfortable and inviting tone. The showpiece kitchen offers a Wolf gas stove with a Zephyr cooking hood, as well as new double ovens and a see-through Sub-Zero refrigerator. The centerpiece is the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, creating the perfect space for the family to gather. Also new to the home are 2 air conditioners, water filtration system, kitchen lighting, and master bedroom flooring. The master bedroom opens to the back deck, and the attached master bathroom is a masterpiece. Custom iron railing, beetle kill tongue and groove ceilings, and a wraparound composite deck all help complete the upgraded finishes. Outside, you'll find a 38 by 52 steel frame and insulated building with 14-foot and 10-foot overhead doors, and a new propane heater with new garage door seals for retention, as well as a new cedar shed for added storage, a 1,000-gallon cellar-owned propane tank, and a new whole-home 30-kilowatt Kohler backup generator. Just minutes down the road is the old mining town of Hartville, Wyoming, where you can find Wyoming's oldest bar and one of the best steakhouses and dining experiences in the region. The Guernsey Lake Retreat is an exceptional opportunity to own a beautiful piece of the vanishing last frontier in the great state of Wyoming. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call Matt Munford today at 3-076-40-3756.